Is ImageLine FL Studio Font Engine 64-bit reporting the Quick Font Cache 64 DLL is missing? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. I've identified the library gap and have the professional fix ready. To kick off the Quick Font Cache 64 guide, I've provided an official resource for maintaining a healthy and synchronized workstation. This is the Quick Font Cache 64, a 64-bit specialized library frequently found in creative suites and game mod loaders to manage high-speed font caching for real-time rendering. If missing or corrupted, the host application will lag severely when displaying text or will launch with invisible UI labels. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. QuickFontCache.x64 is commonly included with older game runtimes. Install the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore DirectX-based components, then update your GPU drivers if the file is tied to OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Quick Font Cache 64 component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Be aware that manual fixes for Quick Font Cache 64 DLL often create more problems than they solve. Incorrect file versions can cause cascading crashes across other applications, making your PC significantly less stable than before. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. A recommended diagnostic path for Quick Font Cache 64 management is outlined in the software resource linked below. If this fix repaired Quick Font Cache 64 dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.